This is our view from the 60s or something, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I should be putting this in my mouth.
Come on!
Nice to the animals that we give this wasp a bit of cider.
Is it cider or jubel?
You get a bit crazy later, start stinging everyone. Haha, tiny. Oh, cutie. And flies bugging you. Me, Sarah and Poppy heading up the top of the hill today. We had a pint with Drufus and Nathan. They're heading off somewhere else tonight, so we'll see them next time. And I think the rain is coming in at dawn or through the night. And windy as well, apparently, but they've got the Abke Kangri. It's made for that sort of thing. It's just got to laugh at the wind and rain. Well, I've got to be honest, I was wondering about the fitness of Sarah. She's actually telling me to speed up. Yes, you're on the tramway. There's all sorts of quarries around here. We're just looking, we're going on top of this tonight. It looks massive, but when you see the people next to it, if you can see them there, realise it's not that big. It's just dramatic looking. Tent set up. This is our view for tonight. We can open the door this way. Look at that. And this is the other direction. So this is where the sun is going to set. About 9 o'clock. Come back for that. Views from the tent. Right. We got the big pasta and sauce mac and cheese. I mean, it doesn't look big, does it? I hope it's going to fill up a little bit more. The pot is deceiving. And then the Soba noodles I'm having. These are good. Perfect can holder. Alright, they're done. I just poured some of the water from this into there by request.
Extra flavour.
Looks good. So, gotta do this properly. Gotta pour the water out.
Oh, right, that's what those little holes are for.
Yeah. You put the sauce after then. Proper thick. Oh, I can smell it. It's lovely.
Oh, teriyaki.
Yum. Come on then, give me a verdict.
Cheesy.
Cheesy.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love.
This is our toothpaste. From the 60s or something, I don't know. Hopefully still alright.
I feel it moving, but I don't know if I'm just
I think
squishing
it's
dust.
just turned to dust, to be fair. It's turned to nothing.
Is it? Can you see anything?
No.
I've honestly not got the best. No, there's something coming.
Oh my god. Am I gonna die here? Are you sure?
Wait, wait.
It's a hole that's in there. Look at that.
I can't get the bend on it there.
There should be more in it than that. Oh my god.
You have to bend it because I can't do it with these stupid nails.
Yeah, I don't think I should be putting this in my mouth.
Come on. It won't kill you.
Go on then. Is that all you can get?
That's all you need.
I've woken up with this dog shaking about 5 a.m. Yeah, so I woke up because I was too hot, and that's the time she started shivering. I don't know, it's not cold. Well, let's take the turn this morning. Pretty wet up here. Didn't do much filming again, I don't think. Getting useless at this. Just enjoying myself too much. We had a bit of a beetle invasion. I pulled about 10 of these out. Much to Sarah's amusement. Proper eerie in the mist, especially with the sheep massacre gone on here. This opening. We leave that alone, Pops. There we go. We're leaving. I'm gonna get wet.
Going to?
Already wet, yeah. Let's go. Now you're interested, no friends coming.